everybody, this is Simi Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another haul. I recently went to Select City Walk as well as Sarojini. So I'll be doing the Sarojini haul separately because then it would be too long. Today I'm going to do an H&M and Shoppers Stop haul. From H&M, let's start with this one first. So the first dress is this military green dress which is made of satin. I mean the fabric is amazing. When you touch it, it's like really soft. It's very simple and you might be thinking, what did I like in this particular dress? But look at the back, it is absolutely amazing. It has this sequence kind of a thing and a long, what do you call this, slit back, and I like it very much. The color khaki is very masculine, you know. It has been made very feminine again because of the back design and the sequence. This was originally for 1799, so 1800, but I got it for 650 rupees, and that's more than 50%. So yeah, I got a very good deal. Even if you don't want to show the back, you can just wear a blazer or a coat, stole or something like that, and then you can wear this and it will look very nice with ankle boots or with a strappy heel. So yeah, very nice, very sober color and very inexpensive. So you can go and maybe look at this. The next dress that I want to show you is also again a very nice black dress. It has this ruffle in the front. I loved this dress when I saw it first. It was again on absolutely amazing discount. This was for 2,300 rupees and I got it for 1,000 bucks only. And it's a very simple dress again, shift. The back has three buttony hole kind of a thing again, and I really love the design here. The ruffle in the front makes it look very feminine, and I like this part a lot. The material is extremely nice. It's those soft crepe material that you generally prefer. I generally prefer in dresses because then it doesn't stick to your body and it's like it flows very nicely, and I know I'll get a lot of use out of this particular dress. The next thing that I got is this jeggings. This is called Feather Soft Jeggings Low Waist, and yeah, I got this one. This is in a dark, I don't know, dark blue color, almost black but not black. And this was for 2,000 rupees and there was a 50% discount, so 1,000 rupees. Sometimes jeans are very thick and it's very uncomfortable to wear. This is very thin and very stretchy, so I like this kind of material. The only con of this, it does not have a pocket. So these pockets that you can see in the front are just designs, this one, and it does not have a pocket. There are pockets in the back, but then you know you can't really trust the pockets in the back for your phones. So yeah, that's the only con. Otherwise it's a lovely jeans or jeggings, and it is the perfect one to wear it with the boots, so because it straps onto your calves, on your ankles, and it's very fitting. I got another pant in black. This is again a very nice comfortable jeans to wear. This has pocket in the front and the back as well, and you know, the staple black jeans that you would want. So these are all the things that I got from H&M. I did not get anything major from Shoppers Stop, but I did get some makeup things and all because I had a lot of points in my cart. So I had almost 600 rupees in this particular cart and I had to spend it. So the first thing that I got from Shoppers Stop is this Color Bar lip gloss. This was on like flat 50% discount. This is in shade pink glass and I absolutely love the packaging outside as well as inside. This is how it looks like. It's in a pinkish nudish color, so really goes on with our skin tone. Otherwise, you know, Indian skin tone, because we are not extremely fair, nude kind of washes us out, so I don't prefer like extremely nude colors, but then pinkish nudish colors really suit our tone, skin tone a lot. So it's a lovely color, and this is the shade. It's a glossy color, lip gloss. It's not matte, and because it's winter, matte lipsticks dries out the lips so much that I don't prefer them in the winters. It is in a very dull pinkish color, and really you can trust the bottle because it's almost the same color that's getting reflected on my skin as well. Yeah, so I really like this, plus discount, very nice. The next one that I got is this particular lipstick. I got this because I have had this earlier. I used to use it and I was over with this. This is the Pink Alert range from Maybelline, and this is in the shade POW4. So it comes up in this pink color. So this is the second one, the Pink Alert range. This one is also moisturizing. It's not like drying, unlike the matte lipsticks. Again, what they show on this tube corresponds to the color that gets translated on my skin, so I really like that part. The next lipstick that I got from the same Maybelline counter was this one. This one was quite cheap. This was for 325 rupees, but I got it for 270 rupees, I think, under discount. And this is the packaging is very simple, like staple lipstick packaging. I think they cut down on the packaging a lot, therefore it's cheaper. It's called Madly Magenta. I wanted something that was wine colored, so I got this one. Yeah, so this is the color, the third one, and it again corresponds quite well on my skin, what's shown on the tube, and I love this one. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. I have a little dark lips, so whatever I wear turns reddish, maroonish most of the time. So everything that I wear becomes darker magenta or darker red or darker pink. I don't know whether it's the same. It's getting reflected in a similar manner, but this is the one. So the next thing that I got is a staple favorite. Like, this is the Babylips Electro Pop. This was priced at 190. There was no discount on it. So this is how it looks like. Everybody knows this. The color that I got is, this is the Pink Shock, and it's a very sheer, hydrating. This one, very sheer, hydrating, light pink color. The next thing that I got is this powder. It's the Clear Glow All-in-One Fairness Compact. You have already seen it in my other haul. I got this in the shade Natural 03, and it's a nice powder. If you have not seen it in the earlier vlog, then it looks like something like this. Very wide angled mirror, and that's the best thing about it. Also, it's quite long lasting. The other thing that I got is this foundation. So it's called the new Novio Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation, which is in the shade 40 Nude. It's a 30 ml tube, and the packaging is like simple, something that you can carry in your purse very easily. This was priced at 700 rupees. I think I got it for 580 rupees or something like that, and again a good deal. These are all from the Shopperstop counter, the makeup counter, so they are under huge discounts right now, and I really trust Shopperstop. They always have genuine products. This is the shade that I have. It's like very soft textured, almost like, it feels almost like the cream, whipped cream. It almost feels like a whipped cream, but when I tried to wear it with my hands, like so many times you have to use it on the go with your fingertips, it did not give that kind of a finish. I used a brush later on and it came out quite nice, but when I used my hands for a natural finish, it did not look that great. However, I must tell you that this is a very nice texture, very soft on the skin, does not feel like a foundation at all. The way mousse works, it gives medium coverage. It was not that heavy, which I like. I don't like heavy coverage because your skin should look natural until unless you are going for a heavy makeup, wedding makeup, something like that. So this is how it looks like. It looks nice on the skin. I like it. I really like it. The only problem with it is that I need to use a brush. If you want a better review on it, I will use it for a week or 10 days and let you know. Let me know if you want it or not. These are all the things that I got from Shopperstop. And the last thing that I want to show you, which is not from any mall but from my local beauty shop, is this nail polish. Now many of you have asked me in the past what brand of nail polish do I use in my videos, because I constantly wear nail polishes. I use Nykaa, I use Maybelline, I use other brands as well, but I really like this particular brand because it's so cheap. only for 50 rupees I think, or 60 rupees, something like that, and they are really good. I saw this in many other salons as well, like Gitanjali uses it, so yeah, it must be good. So I bought it and then I really found it to be good. This is just one coat, so if you want better color you can use a double coat. The brush is also very nice. It's not the shoddy brush that you get for local products. What I generally do is I wear this and then I use a top coat of a better brand. Like I use an Oriflame top coat so that it stays much longer and you can have good nails. So yeah, this is one instant hack that I've given you right now. So I hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.